भैया बंद है क्या? मशीन चालू है क्या? So good morning guys, what's up? What's happening man? First of all, I'm extremely sorry. I was not able to make any kind of a ride videos. The things are like I was very busy with some of my work and having some personal problems. So I'm absolutely sorry. And to be very honest, I really feel very bad for some of my subscribers. They might be expecting some videos from me, and I need to be loyal with my subscriber. A very small group of subscribers. I'm not a big any moto vlogger, or nor I am too much interested to become a big moto vlogger, a famous moto vlogger. The only thing I'm doing this is because I love motorcycle, I love rides, and I'm damn sure there are a lot of other people who are also sharing the same passion. So anyway, today it's a Christmas, so I wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This coming 2017 bring all the prosperities in your life and all the happiness in your family. So as you can see that we are on a ride right now, and we are heading towards a Savli Dam, which is in between Bordi and Talasri. It's towards Gujarat side. It's a beautiful place, it's a beautiful dam, and I'm not alone. My brother is with me, and this time one of my friend is also with me. Hey, Pawan किधर है? So my friend Pawan is also with me as a pillion, and he's a good pillion. And by mistake भाई दोनों घर के फ़ोन लेके आए. So he's a bit worried about he by mistake took his mother's mobile also, and now he's worried कि यार मॉम को अगर कॉल करना होगा तो कहाँ कॉल करेगी, कैसे करेगी. So I don't know what he's doing. And गया किधर वो भाई? And we have crossed Mira Bhainder, and this is my favorite petrol pump. This is where I refuel my tanks. यहाँ पे 60 पैसा सस्ता है from Mumbai. And after the demonetizations and all the tricks and things which our government is doing on a card, if you're buying a petrol, you'll get some 50 पैसा 50 पैसा ना, कितना डिफरेंस है अभी कार्ड से लेगा तो you get a discount, you get some 25-30 पैसा discount on your swipe. So all the tankies are full now, and the weather is pleasant, it's beautiful, it's not chilled but it is cool, and it's gonna be a fun ride today. हो गया? किधर गया था? उधर किधर गया था? वही बोला, तू गया किधर रे? हाँ सब रेडी है. किसको ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये मैग्नेट इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है ना, हिलेगा ही नहीं. I love my tank bag. I wanted to see some super bikes, because my future planning is I wanted to buy a super bike. I wanted to buy a Benelli 650 600i inline 4 cylinder, which in my opinion is one of the best inline 4, or maybe an Harley 750, Harley Street 750. So let's see. Even this Bajaj Domino 400 is also a good bike, definitely a game changer. The best part is this specs. I mean, like it produces the 35 Nm of torque, which makes it a proper tourer. There are no such bikes in that category, in that price. So Bajaj has again thrown a bomb. Just in case you might be wondering why I'm not wearing any kind of gloves, the reason is very simple. I don't like gloves. I am somehow not at all comfortable if I'm wearing comfortable to ride a motorcycle. When you're wearing a gloves, I can't feel the throttle, I can't feel my this thing, levers and switches, which makes me nervous. So friends, my future plannings are, I wanted to go to Bhutan. This year I've completed Ladakh, which was in my list, and the second name I was in my list was Bhutan. I wanted to see Bhutan. There are other places which I wanted to explore. One is in Gujarat, Kutch, White Desert, which I want to see. It's a beautiful place, and There are a few of my friends whom I've met in Ladakh are calling me to for a ride for this thing Nepal. So let's see. There are some trips which is there. All the parents are always worried that they don't want their son or children to drive a motorcycle because it is fatal. Anyway, in India the max top speed is I think is 120. That's it. If you're buying a motorcycle for a fast ride on Indian roads, you are doing a big mistake. It's not suitable to drive above 110 and 120 kilometers. It's quite dangerous because on every see did you saw that? These are the problems. So when you're driving extremely fast, it is so important to be very careful, and in my personal opinion it is not wise to drive at this kind of a higher speed. India is a very densely populated country. Even though if you're going in a certain rural areas, still there will be people who are crossing roads, and some local people, they don't know how to cross the roads. They don't understand what road crossing manners are. So it is always be very careful. And lane cutting is also one of the biggest issues people don't understand. Nobody cares. After cutting the lane, they check out the in their rearview mirror. All take it for a granted that यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Nice, very nice. So friends, we have reached Charoti toll naka, and let's see, from here Talasri is almost like maybe 40 kilometers. So we'll have some tea breakfast at Pasida Dhaba, and then we'll go to Asauli Dam. I'll show you the Asauli Dams. It's a beautiful place. So bhai, ab tak sab barabar na? हाँ? So we are reaching Parsida Dhaba. It is hardly 122 kilometers from my place, so it is quite near. I thought it was 40-50 kilometers ahead from Talasri. So I was wrong in calculating the distance. So this is the Parsida Dhaba, very famous for motorbike bikers. All the bikers come over here. Payment cash only, bhai. रोकड़ा है ना? Payment लिखा है उधर देखना, payment cash only, no credit card. Okay friends, so we have reached Parsida Dhaba right now, and it is around 11 past 30, correct? 11:30 हुआ ना? So it is 11:30 and we are in Parsida Dhaba. It's a nice joint. 12 बज गए. So we'll have something to, we'll eat something right now, and so far again everything is good. Done with the food and everything. As all these bikers are from Gujarat, and I'm lucky that you can see the bike Domino. So these people are actually promoting the Domino as well as KTM, and he is very kind to allowing me to take a test ride. So let me just check it out. Hi.
I am Sunny.
Sunny from Gujarat, correct?
I am Surat.
From Surat. So let me just take a small spin and I'll talk about few things. Yeah, it's a quite big bike. Wow. So this is the top end model, which is dual ABS, and The riding posture is very comfortable. I'm 6 feet and a half and around 90 kg. So for me, this bike is very comfortable. Yeah, the clutch and everything is very soft, very smooth. Okay. And I personally feel that this design is inspired by the Ducati Diavel. So very powerful, response is good. Yeah, so pickup and everything is good, but not as aggressive as this thing Duke 390. I can feel a little bit vibration on seat and on the handlebar, and the power delivery is quite soft. It is quite linear. It is not aggressive as Duke 390. Wow. Seating position is also good. You can see my leg holding the tank, so it is good for high speed cornering. And the suspension, that's good. The front disc is really good. The rear, I don't feel any bite. That guy told me that the rear brake needs some kind of a servicing. I don't know what, but it's not that effective. Wow, the acceleration is massive. Woo! Superb! Woo! Nice acceleration, nice. Very powerful. Woo! Good acceleration, good, massive power. The torque is awesome. Excellent torque. Great! That guy didn't give me that much of permission to go for a long spin. But so far, whatever the feel I got from the bike is, it's definitely an awesome bike. It is, I feel it is better than Duke 390 because it is not that aggressive and it is very good for everyday life. Those who are looking for a powerful bike and comfortable, powerful bike which can do all the daily things like commuting and as well as long rides and for a long touring. This is a thumbs up. Superb bike, but the acceleration is massive. Wow! Woo! Whoa! The gear shift is also smooth, so no problem. The only thing the initial feeling about this bike is it's definitely beautiful bike, but the only thing which I am feeling is the vibration. Might be because it is a new bike, so it will take some time to get the refinement, but it's an awesome bike. Superb bike, and especially for a tall people, definitely you can buy this bike. પાછળની બ્રેક થોડી બસ કરેક્ટ એટલે બાઇટ નથી એના પછી આમ દબાય તો આમ બાઇટ લાગવી જોઈએ ને KTM Duke 390 ની જેમ लेकिन बढ़िया पिकअप सॉलिड है और कंट्रोल्ड है एकदम. ड्यूक का कैसा एक्सीडेंट देखना ऐसा होता है पूरा. ये रिलैक्स है, इसको सिटी में चलाने के लिए मजा आएगा. आई एम डैम श्योर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर मोटो व्लॉगर्स हु कैन डू अ बेटर रिव्यू ऑन दिस थिंग. So all the technical stuff it is there online. I just wanted to feel the initial pickup and everything, and it's awesome. सारे LEDs है ना, parking lights and everything. Wow, awesome. It's good. I think there are 4 parking lights, and the center one is high and low beam. It's good, beautiful. Turn indicators are from again KTM. They are all LEDs, and it's a big bike. Again the LEDs. Awesome. Chalo Sunny bhai, thank you so much. Okay friends, so this is Talasri Junction, and from here we have to take a ride which will take us towards Asavli Dam, which comes in Gholwad. So make sure, in case if you are coming this side, ask for Talasri and then Gholwad. From here the Asavli Dam is almost like 17 or 18 kilometers. असावली डैम। मेरा टायर जिंदा है ना अभी भी, मानना पड़ेगा टायर को। ले लद्दाख रिटर्न।
Memories die out too hard. And we were traveling the mountains just to find it out and see.
Woo! So guys, you might be wondering where the hell are we right now. So we are somewhere in I don't know where. किधर है भाई अपन?
Asavli?
Obviously in Asavli, but we were all quite tired, so we were looking for some chowli, you know, and found a nice, found a nice, Chiku Wadi. So it's quite peaceful over. So thought of, let's take a small nap, a power nap. Can you see the dam over there? Wait a second. Dam दिख रहा नहीं, वैसे दिख रहा है क्या?
ना नहीं दिखेगा।
Can you see the oh yeah, correct, from exactly here, yeah,
फोकस में नहीं आएगा।
can you see the dam? This is dam. And exactly opposite to dam there is a small farm over here, so we are sleeping inside this farm. It's beautiful. Right now it is around 3 o'clock, correct? 3 बजे ना?
या 3 बज गए।
आधा घंटा सोते फिर निकलते 4 बजे।